You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Chinese premium lager beer. We'll be looking at how to say more beer names too, so stay tuned. Loads to learn here. Tsingtao. I know it looks like it should be said Tsingtao, but no. Tsingtao beer. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more confusing pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.